If you're new to crypto, MEXC have actually given away $10 to help you get started. None of this is financial advice, but let's dive into this amazing campaign. So here we are on MEXC, and MEXC is definitely one of the top tier exchanges out there. It's really easy to get set up on, and their UI is very intuitive. It's just a great exchange overall. Now, for this campaign, if you're new to crypto, this is definitely one you'll want to take advantage of, because the steps to get this $10 are really simple. First things first, this is only available to users who haven't made any previous deposits on MEXC. And you need to complete all the tasks within 7 days of registration to qualify. However, it's a very quick and easy process. All you have to do is, first of all, register, then deposit $100, then trade, of course, and then yes, you can earn that $10 USDT airdrop once you complete these steps. So very easy to get going with this, no complex requirements, just simple, straightforward steps. Now, MEXC as a whole has a wide range of cryptocurrencies with very competitive rates. If we actually go to the markets page right here, we can see all the different cryptos with good analytics on them as well. If we were to just click one of these, we can see the UI is fantastic for trading. So if you're coming over from another exchange, then you'll be very familiar with this layout anyway. And of course, as soon as you complete these tasks, you can start trading immediately. And whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, it's very easy to navigate around this platform, whether you're into staking, as you can see here, or the high leverage futures side. And MEXC also have their very own decentralized exchange side as well. If you click this button up here, you can see all of the new tokens that are being made, which, yes, they do actually give you a nice little audit here as well for the security risk of those tokens. So basically, MEXC have everything, whether it's the centralized exchange side or the decentralized side. And they're always doing fantastic promotions for their users to reward them. You can see this one here. You can win a Tesla Cybertruck. And another really great thing about this is they do have P2P trading, which is great for me as I travel around a lot. And yes, you can also see that the P2P fees are in fact zero. So again, just competing with all the other exchanges and coming out on top with some of the best rates and the easiest exchange to use that's out there. Now, signing up is very easy. Just press the link in the description, and then you'll be greeted with a screen like this. All you need to do is type in your email, create a password, and then press sign up. From that point, you'll be eligible to actually join the campaign, but make sure you're using our link to get the best benefits. So, if you are ready to claim your $10 bonus, visit the link in the description below and get started now. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I'll see you in the next one.